She looking cute. All right, so I added that base. I absolutely hate it. So let's go in with this black eyeshadow from both palettes because we're dangerous today and we're gonna do both because why not? Yeah, see, why not? I know like some people, they're like, don't go in with a straight black eyeshadow. Like, what are you doing? All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Could you imagine? Do that. Let's take this fluffy brush now. And we're gonna blend out. Oh. I don't know what the fuck is on that. And blend it up. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat tomorrow for New Year's. We got steak, but like what else? You know? All right, blend that back out again. I think for me, like the one reason why I think I hate doing my eyes before the rest of my face is cause like I find like I absolutely hate the way the eyes look without the rest of my face being done, you know? Can't visualize it just yet. We're just going in with that black and then we're just blending it out again. We looking cray-cray. Might as well use tape. I used to use tape for all my eyeshadow looks. Once upon a time. I feel like I've done way too many black smoky eyes on my channel already. She is looking kind of cute today. All right, now that we've got that going, let's put a little bit more in here. I bought these new Switch games yesterday, so I couldn't find it on my phone. I just brought my Switch over, but like they had like a huge sale on games yesterday. And I was just going through all of them, all the little cute ones. All right, so the first one I got was Child of Light, and this game is like really pretty. It's about a little girl and like, I thought it was gonna be like a cutesy like little kid kind of thing, and I'll like insert pictures of it. I thought it was like gonna be like this cute story about like a little girl. Like she's just on an adventure to save her dad and stuff like that. But in reality, she's on an adventure to save her life. You know, she actually dies. She doesn't know she dies. And she awakens on like this pedestal type of thing. And it's like actually like her shrine, like her place of burial. And like you're like fighting all of these like demon creatures. They have like a goat demon creature that you're fighting and shit. And I was just like, I was not fucking expecting this. And it's like really pretty though. And the art is fucking amazing. And the music is amazing. And I was playing it pretty much all night last night. I couldn't sleep. So I've been playing that one. And then the next one is, I got all the Harry Potter collection for $12, the Harry Potter Lego. So like, me and my family, like, we're obsessed with Harry Potter. We have Harry Potter trivia. Like, we talk about Harry Potter quotes all the time. Like, we buy each other Harry Potter merch all the time. So we're super obsessed with that. The Harry Potter collections, all the Lego Harry Potter, so like all of the books, Lego. I got Cat Quest as well. It's like another cute like adventure game that I found. It's like super adorable. You can see Cat Quest. It's like super cute. And then I also got Unravel 2. So I actually bought this one for my boyfriend and I. It's a it's 2-player. And you're like intertwined with your character and you gotta like work together to like go through like the map. Well, obviously, and like go on this like huge adventure to find out where the rest of like these people are and stuff. But like all these games are like $4 each. But yeah, man, this freaking, the Child of Light though, it's like crazy. Like it was a lot more like intense than I thought it was gonna be. All right, y'all. So now that we finish our eye look here, we're gonna add the glitter. It's called Molten Midnight. I already swatched it before, but it's like fucking gorgeous. If this does not scream New York, New Year's Eve, like kiss me on the ball drop, like romance, then I don't know what does. Like, look at that fucking glitter. Let's get going. Let's get into it. I love the Stila glitters so fucking much. My only issue with them is that when I tried to use them for like clients and stuff like that, they wound up drying up so much quicker than if I were to just use them on my own. So that's my only thing, is like for clients, like I'd have to keep replacing them. Yes. We're doing a whole glitter eye. Like that's why I said it didn't matter like how good the eyeshadow, like obviously the eyeshadow has to look good, but like we're covering the shit in glitter. Okay, but why did this side go on like so much easier? The real question is am I about to add glitter on the lower lash line too? Like, are we going that hard today? Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this. This looks kind of really freaking good. Is it? I hope it's showing up on camera as good as it looks in person, because this right here is looking sparkly. Oh my god, every time I come back on camera, I'm like, my fucking hair is a mess. Got a little bit of micellar water here. We're gonna clean up this eye look now. It was super funny when I was younger. I never knew when the ball was gonna drop. I was always like, does it happen on this day at midnight? Or is it like this time on this day at midnight? Like I always got it like New Year's Eve at midnight is when the ball drops, right? Now I know that as an adult. But as a kid, I was always like, it has to be on New Year's Day at midnight. All right, so now that I cleaned up all of that extra caca going on with my eyes, let's do the under eyes, and then we're gonna do the rest of our face. I'm gonna do a little bit of brown under my under eye first. I'm trying to like being able to like look at the camera better. Add a little bit in here. My little bit seems like a lot to other people though, so. Now let's add a little bit of glitter right in here. Oh shit. Let's add some more black liner on the inside. This turned really glam to really grungy, like real quick. I ain't mad at it though. I used to just step on the bus. I used to take the bus to school. All right, we're gonna leave the eyes alone for a second, and then we're gonna work on the face. I'm gonna do a little bit of pore filler here and here. It does got a little bit of silicone in it, obviously, so that's gonna help get rid of this glitter. Maybe that's why it's not working. So there's silicone in this, and there's silicone in that concealer I was wearing. So silicone on silicone. I guess that looks okay. I still look greasy. We're gonna add a little bit of this Radiant primer as well. We want to look glowy. Sparkly. From Too Faced. Oh, that sounds yummy. I had this one on sale. It's the Do You Luminous Face Primer. And I do love Too Faced products. So look at the back of my hand though. It's so pretty. That's that primer compared to this side. So you can see the difference already. My face look rich. I am using my hydrating foundation by Fenty because right now it is the only one that actually matches me. Because all of my other ones are way too warm and yellow and, you know, just not working it for me. I know I put way too much, but I also don't care. All right, you guys, so I did the foundation and stuff. Now I'm just going in and adding concealer. All right, y'all, so we did the rest of our face, our complexion. Well, not finished it necessarily. I do want to go in and add my blush and my highlight. So we're gonna do that now. You know when I'm feeling myself, because I just like, I'm blushing. All right, Alexis, you're gonna add just a little bit more on this side, and then that's it, because you add way too much blush all the fucking time. So we're done with blush. We're gonna add some fucking highlight. And for the highlight, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Glow Kit and Sugar. Dusting it off. I don't know what color I'm gonna use. Probably all of them. No, not this marshmallow. Marshmallow is way too yellow for me. I think I'm gonna do Stardust and Butterscotch. Yes, let's do it. Okay. Fuck, maybe I should add a little bit of yellow because my eyes are pulling more yellow. Let's swatch it first. Yeah, let's just do a little bit. Oh yeah, that pulls it in way nice. Ooh-wee. I don't really contour my nose. I just like fucking put shit on it, you know? I do love to highlight my Cupid's bow though. Cause when you have that shit highlighted in pictures, it's just like, ooh. I'm like a super oily kind of person. I love to put a lot of matte products on my face and then douse myself in highlight so I look oily. Please tell me where that makes sense. It doesn't. It doesn't. But I'm mad at how good this looks. Like, do you guys ever whisper? Do you guys have like an Alexa that like you whisper to? So I talk to my Alexa. I'd be like, hey Alexa. Cause we have a Fire Stick too. So like if Mike is sleeping and I'm usually up till like 4 in the morning and he is just like passed the fuck out in bed. I just like, I still feel like I can wake him up though. So like I'm like this with my little Fire Stick remote. I'm like, and then she goes, getting that from YouTube. I'm also really into like prepper, people who have like prepper pantries and like food storage and stuff like that. Cause like my goal one day is to have a root cellar. I want a house with a root cellar. I'm obsessed with gardening. So that's it for our face right now. We are looking fucking snatched. Like, bitch. We look so fucking good. All right, so let's put our lashes on now. Got my mascara on. I'm obsessed with this fucking eye look now. I'm like obsessed. So while my lashes are drying, let's work on my lips. Lately, I've been actually using my contour palette, cream contour palette, to do my lips. Because I don't really have a good nude lip liner. I've never been one to use lip liner in general. So it's like, I don't want to waste the money on one. So I just use this. And it's going to tie in the face because you've already used it like around your face, you know? I look like Kim Possible. If you guys are wondering what I'm thinking about, I'm actually thinking about Polaris from Among Us. I can't be the only fucking person who like gets fucking lost. Like, we've been playing it more and like I'm still fucking lost the whole time. We were like, the body was an admin. I'm like, bitch, where the fuck is admin? That's all I'm thinking. Oh shit, my lashes. I always do this. I always try to be productive and like do things while my lash glue is drying, and then it always fucking dries. I hate how I'd be smelling like funky. Oh, I just got polygel nails in like a kit, and like I already tried them out and I really like them. These lashes are a little bit small, or maybe I'm just used to like really fucking dramatic lashes and that's why. All right, everyone, so this is what our finished makeup look is gonna be. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna put some earrings on, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. But this is what our finish. All right, everyone, so I'm not sure how I feel about my hair, but it's dirty and I gotta bleach it, and I'm not about to wash it before I bleach it. So this is today's look. That was a lot. But we did a smoky glitter kiss me at midnight look today. I just gotta do my nails. Like, imagine like me with my nails done. Well, thank you so much for watching up until this point, if you've gotten to this point. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'll make sure to link my social media down below as well. I post on those regularly. You know, I'm a hot mess on all social platforms, so, you know, subscribe, like, And I'll see you guys next year. All right, bye.